Hello and welcome to a brand new series from POSAdvisors' official YouTube channel, What's New? This series will come out with a new video upon every major EncorePOS update, detailing any big changes and great new features. Let's get right into it. Every version of EncorePOS contains an updated and detailed copy of our release notes in the EncorePOS folder here. We'll start with some of the big changes. Enterprise reporting is finally here for EncorePOS. The Consolidate button on the Daily Summary Report allows you to continue to see each store's individual performance as well as produce a consolidated report for all your stores. Hover over any of the consolidated fields and get a list of each store's contribution to your business. The Consolidate button is only available for the full dashboard, but it will be available for the remote dashboard in a coming release. Notice also that any negatives in the report are red to help highlight problem areas. The Frequent Buyer Loyalty Program has long been a staple of EncorePOS, and now, with EncorePOS, you can share and coordinate your customer list between multiple stores. Your customers can earn and redeem points in any of your stores, and EncorePOS will update their points in all your stores. Add a customer in one store, and they will appear in each location. Additionally, EncorePOS creates an audit log and an archive report to help any store using the Frequent Buyers program track and document their customers' activity. We've revamped the toolbar you see at the top of our reports and utilities with a new look and some different features. First, we've removed the Export to CSV button and replaced it with a Copy to Clipboard button that will copy whatever is in the table with the formatting that you see. Excel, PDF, and Send Straight to a Printer are still here, but with a new look. And you can click this button to exit the report or utility that you have in front of you without making any changes. We've also added a shortcut button. For reports with a variety of options you run on a regular basis, enter the settings as usual and click Submit. Once on the report, click this button here to save that report configuration as a shortcut so you can save time and access the report in the future with just 2 clicks. Once you've saved and named your report, you'll see you have a new Shortcut tab. You can even sort your reports for easier recall. We've added the ability to combine the count files of multiple users into one file. Simply click the Combine Files button here and you'll have a single file to import, ensuring anything counted gets properly combined and you have one variance report. We've also added the ability to create a purchase order out of any count file. Clicking this button will generate a purchase order using everything you scan into the app. Lastly, any count files that you post will be archived for later reference. We added a small but important change to today's sales. It now shows gross profit percent and average sale dollars on both the main panel and the More screen. Year to year also gets a little tweak. We've added monthly percent increase and decrease to the bar chart. The Inventory Performance Report has a few great changes. We've added 3 new columns: item number, quantity purchased, and quantity on order. Columns can now be rearranged by dragging. And the report will now remember your preferred number of rows. We found just a couple of bugs and got to fixing them with this new version. We fixed a table scroll problem in the Inventory Performance Report, which impacted the columns showing in prints or PDFs, and a bug in the Item Edit utility that occurred on writing to the Item Edit log. We also made numerous behind-the-scenes program changes to make EncorePOS run faster and better. That'll about wrap it up for this video. If we helped you out today, leave a like below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest and greatest from POSAdvisors. We'll have our support number down in the description, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. This has been Billy with POSAdvisors. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.